So let me show you how close he was to me. So this is where I'm working, right next to the edge of the pond. Turn around and you can see this tree right behind me. And so this is where I'm standing. That limb right there is where he was at. Is that awesome or what? That was awesome. That's the closest I've ever been to a pileated woodpecker. That's awesome. I'm just sitting here working on the pond, getting the sprinkler system back together, making lots of noise, and I'll hear something. I look up in the tree, I thought it was a squirrel, and it was him. That's awesome. That's a resident pileated woodpecker that lives in the trees in the area right here next to the Marquette schools. So that was cool.